In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download Warzone 1 on your PS5. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. And if you are looking for discounts on PS5 games and accessories, you can check out the links in the description below. So without any further ado, let's get started. So in your Play Store, PlayStation Store, go on the search icon and search for Warzone. Now, if you search for Warzone, you will see that the Call of Duty game shows up. So go on it and press X. Now here, go on the three dots, press X, and here you will see the Call of Duty Warzone 1. So go on that and press X, and this is the Warzone 1. So go on download, it's free, you can download and play it. So this is how you can download Warzone 1 on PS5. Thanks for watching.